What's up, guys? Finally, after talking about this, after dreaming about this, after looking online for countless of hours, we are finally here and I'm reviewing the Talaria XXX. Quite a fun bike to ride. I've just rode this around the city and it is really fun, guys. It's quite fast. Reason being, it's so light. Everybody knows the specs, but if you don't know, it's got a 6.5 kilowatt motor and it usually comes with supermoto tires, but you can change it. There was different models, so some came with the dirt tires, some came with supermoto tires. The shocks are good for my weight. I mean, I'm 120 kilograms, so there's actually not many components that go into these bikes. They usually, so that's the motor. The power is usually rendered in kilowatts. The second thing is, it's driven by a chain system. The sprocket is there, which is what's around the chain. If you change the sprocket, you can change the torque ratio. The battery, which is inside it. This bike, it's quite difficult to take the battery, to remove the battery. You got to open it up, and it's quite difficult. So, yeah, you can't just pull the battery out and walk away, which is quite good. I mean, that would be good in South Africa, I guess. It's got the foot pegs, and then it's got the controller here. That is the controller, okay? That controls the electronics and everything like that, and the power that it runs. And the kickstand is up. I'm 120 kilograms, and it is a bit small for me. It doesn't feel like it should be, but I guess. Oh, my man is crazy there, bro. Oh. Fucking scared, guys. I'm scared to pop the wheelie like that, guys. Huh?
Can I take a video?
Yeah, of course. Too small for me.
Yeah, I think this bike is too small for you.
But I can't buy another one because it's I don't have the money, you know. But you think I need to get a bigger one?
May I know how much budget you have?
I have like the cheapest one. No, I think I should try the other one.
Yeah, just try.
But I thought this one would be too small. I think it's okay. I just feel like
You feel good?
my hands are paining.
Oh, okay.
Do you know why? Maybe because it's fast.
Yeah.
I'm not used to it.
Yeah.
Because I have to hold it.
Yeah. your weight at the back.
Yeah.
It's very easy to, really.
It's so fun, but. So you think I should get the bigger one?
Yeah, because you are taller and strong, so I think this is too small for you. I think.
This nigga said I'm strong, not fat. This is a good salesman, Dad. So how do you pop the wheelie?
Yeah, to be honest, I'm not good at really.
Yeah.
Maybe 2 seconds.
2 seconds.
Yeah, just control the
It's just the power.
power. Yeah. And more
Practice.
practice.
No, I'm scared. No, I don't. I'm happy with this one. That's okay. I'm scared I'm gonna fall down.
Yeah. Just
Did you ever fall down before?
of course.
Of course.
Yeah.
It's all good, bro.
So I can say to them that
Yeah.
we have a foreign customer.
Guys, this is the Talaria XXX. We're sending all of them to South Africa. So you better buy quickly. Oh, this should feel much better. Oh, 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 oh. Hold on, I can't fucking die.
It's popping wheelies. It does pop wheelies off the line, but it doesn't pop wheelies like the bigger one, the 8 kilo one, the 8 kilowatt one. I think I need to try that next week. So this guy is selling this shit for like 14k RMB, which is like 30 something thousand rands. Yeah, it's a lot of money for a bike, but I mean, my whole life I've been wanting to get a motorbike. And then my mom's like, nah, it's too dangerous. You're going to die. You're going to crash and lose your legs or some shit like that. And then, lo and behold, like I met somebody. He was driving these super bikes. And next thing I saw his ass in a wheelchair. I was like, nah, I don't want that shit. But I guess let's not do crazy stuff and endanger ourselves. And I think I'll be all right, guys.
This shit is popping. This shit is popping.
But I guess let's not do crazy stuff and endanger ourselves. And I think I'll be all right, guys. I think it's quite good. I think these people were quite nice, yeah, just to let me try these bikes out. Like, yo, guys, in South Africa, I don't think that would happen. Yeah, I think they'll scalem these things. Yeah, really lovely bike, guys. I don't like the color. I would prefer like a black bike or the original one. I really don't like this green color. I'm gonna try the other one out and see which one I like more. I would probably like the other one more because that's an 8 kilowatt motor. And it's going to be a bit faster than this one. But everybody was complaining about the seat, guys. I think it's quite nice. I think it's quite plush, guys. I'm used to sitting on my bike seat and that is really hard. This is quite comfortable. It's so fast that my hands, my hands were paining. Like I couldn't master this thing properly. Like my hands were paining to hold this thing and maneuver it, and the accelerations were quite hard. And now, listen, guys, everybody says like, oh, it's only 6.5 kilowatts. It's not that fast, but it's 6.5 kilowatts on tap, guys. Like as soon as you rip the throttle. So I think it's not as slow as some people think it is, and it's not as fast as some people think it is. Yeah, the shocks are quite good. It didn't bottom out as yet, but I didn't do any crazy stunts with it. It's not my bike, guys. I can't do anything crazy with it. I don't want to break it.